And we're back. Now we're finally gonna fight Porky the real way, instead of the cheapo PK ground way. Stop! Stop! Stop right there! There really is no time for games anymore. I don't feel like letting you go any further. If you're actually nailed, then don't worry. My adorable little monster is on its way to it as we speak. Huh? Monster's name is Klaus? Its name was Klaus? That also sounds like a person's name. No, really. But now it's my robot. I mean, a fragment of life remains inside it. That's a Porky slave robot. It does whatever I say. It acts on my will alone. It's my double. Doesn't even know anything about who you are. Now we start the battle with a cough. With my favorite battle music. Now, of course, you want to start with defense up. And offense down. Scary mask. Super bomb! Since I gave all the super bombs to Boney. He did something. He's making us cry. Whee! Now then, let's get our offense up. Saltwater gun, since he's technically in a machine. Yeah, that was a good idea. What did he do? He missed. Oh yeah, I'm increasing our offense. Now let's increase our defense by adding counter Omega. Now let's get his defense all the way. And let's use a super bomb. What did he do? He attacked us all, that's what he did. Oh yeah, we got counter. We have counter Omega. Now, his weakness is of course PK Thunder. So use it. Now the trivia cards won't work, but the honey shower does. Watch. A bear appeared and pounced on the honey-covered Porky. Oh my goodness, I never realized that could happen. It didn't work on him. Ah. Well, it's a good thing that PK Thunder never goes under the PSI shield. Oh yeah, did I mention that he starts out with a PSI counter? Let me fill you in on something. I don't need time to attack me, I'll never die. And if I somehow wind up beating, I'll never die. But you didn't know that, did you? Yeah. Uh-huh. Weirdo. You know, let's stop crying. Oh yeah, use refresh. Really good idea to do so. Whoa, I need to get him healed. He has about 6,000, so he's pretty annoying. Throw something out. Man, I love this boss fight. Oh yeah, we got refresh, which heals us every turn or so. Anyway, let's use Healing Omega so we can all hit him. And hard. And Shield Snatcher. Oh yeah, you don't got no shield no more. What did he do? He threw a bomb. DK Thunder Omega. Hey, he's talking. I've gone through time and space so many times I haven't aged like a normal person. Who knows, I might be 1,000 or even 10,000 years old. But despite that, I'm still the same kid at heart. Is that funny? It is, isn't it? Does it make you want to laugh? Are you laughing at me? I think he's losing his mind. Oh well. I guess that's the Forky way. Yeah, I did a good combo. DK Thunder Omega! No, he used a VSI counter. And he's still doing stuff. The dragon wakes up and might end up destroying everything and extinguishing all life. And so... Even so, I'll be alive. I mean, the dragon will be the only thing left alive in the whole wide world. I'm more than ready to that possibility. My eternal life, I'll see the world through to its end. Till everyone who won't like me is gone. Rude person. Oh yeah, the PSI counter thing didn't work. Ah, he threw multiple bombs. Thank you for playing with me all the way to the end like this. I'm actually a pretty nice guy when you say no. Man, I love doing his dialogue. Anyway, let's heal. Seriously, everyone's gonna die at the rate. Shoot, I was about to counter. Like, really good. What did he do? Still attacked us. And killed both Duster and Boney. Oh no, I think they're both gonna die. The attack doesn't go any faster. No, Duster died. Let's try using our ultimate attack. Oh wait, I gotta heal him. Yeah, I got rid of his shield. What is he doing? He threw 59 dang bombs. That's what he did. Now then, let's heal Duster. And let's hit ourselves. Ah, shoot. DK Thunder Beta. He sucked something up. No, he sucked away he sucked away Duster's HP. Man, I hate this guy. Yay! We beat him! We broke his little machine. I'll never die. never die, nor will I ever be beaten. The policeman machines run out of energy for the moment. Lucas, you haven't just won, just so you know. What's that? I'm going to duck inside this absolutely safe capsule for the time being. I'm inside, no attack will have any effect on me whatsoever. I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, yeah, right. Such a thing is absolutely, but there is just a thing, and it's this. The absolutely safe capsule I tricked Dr. Ando into Mr. Shine and make it for me. Me! All for me! And we'll see him get into this next time. I hate him.